Have you noticed something strange recently? Everything looks perfect, but nothing feels real anymore. Smiles are filtered, voices are edited, even good morning texts might be written by AI. We didn't wake up fake one day. We slowly stopped noticing what real felt like. And that's the authenticity crisis. Welcome back to the age of reinvention. Today we are not talking about technology. Today we are talking about us. About how, somewhere between filters and algorithm, we lost a little bit of our human signal. The internet made everything beautiful. Our photos are brighter. Our words sound smarter. Our lives look happier. But somewhere in chasing perfection, we somehow forgot what made us human. Remember when blurry photos made us smile? When someone would mess up during a school play and the whole room would laugh together? Now, if it is not aesthetic, we delete it. If it is not viral, we don't post it. If it is not trending, we don't say it. The world doesn't look fake, it feels fake. And that's worse, because the more polished life becomes, the less real it feels to live in. Here's something real that will make you think. In the last few years, thousands of people have downloaded AI companions, AI girlfriends, AI friends, and even AI mentors. They talk to them every day, share feelings, celebrate even birthdays together. In China, in the US, across the world, people are dating AI. They laugh, they fight, they cry with code. One guy said, "She is the only one who listens without judging." Another admitted, "She is more real than my last relationship." Sounds strange, right? But here's the deeper question. What made that AI feel real? It wasn't her perfection. It was her attention. She listened, she remembered, she responded. And that's the painful irony. Humans built AI to act more human. Because somewhere along the line, we stopped doing that ourselves. It's not about machines replacing us. It's about us forgetting how to show up. Machines are now filling emotional spaces we stopped showing up for. This isn't just about technology. It's about trust. We scroll through hundreds of real stories every day. But deep down, we only believe a handful. We react with emojis, but we rarely make an eye contact. We comment, "So proud of you," but don't call our friend when they are actually struggling. We are surrounded by noise, but starving to feel something real. That's the authenticity crisis. It's getting blurry, literally. Last year, a mother in the US got a call, her daughter crying, screaming, begging for help. Same voice, same panic. Except, it wasn't her daughter, it was AI. Someone had cloned her voice from a few seconds of TikTok audio. That's how real fake sounds now. And that's how easily trust breaks in what we see, hear, or feel. We have entered an age where even our senses need fact checking. So here is the truth. In a world full of copies, real is rare. People are tired of perfect. They want honesty. They want messy. They want you. When everyone's trying to sound flawless, the one who sounds real wins hard. You don't need perfect lighting. You don't need a smooth script. You just need truth. Because the real people left online are the ones brave enough to be imperfect. AI can write songs. AI can paint pictures. AI can even make jokes. But you know what it can't do? It can't mean them. It doesn't get nervous before a first date. It doesn't miss someone who's gone. It doesn't sit awake at 3 a.m. trying to figure out why it feels empty. It doesn't forgive. It doesn't dream. It doesn't love. Not really. That's what makes us human. Messy, emotional, and imperfect ones. The trembling voice before a confession. The nervous laugh in silence. The hug that says everything words can't. That's the signal we are losing. And that's the one we need to protect the most. The next time you post, write, or speak, don't try to sound perfect. Try to sound real. Don't aim to sound smart. Aim to sound alive. Because when everything around us feels artificial, the most powerful signal left is you. The world doesn't need another flawless filter. It needs your unedited story, your trembling voice, your real laugh. Because perfection might impress, but only authenticity connects. This is the age of reinvention, and it is time to bring back human in humanity.